Meaning of hemo.
Hema.
Hemo.
Hema.
Hema. Hema- is a prefix that originates from the Greek word haima, meaning blood. It is commonly used in medical terminology to describe conditions or substances related to blood. For instance, hemoglobin is a protein found in red blood cells that carries oxygen around the body. Hemophilia is a genetic disorder characterized by abnormal bleeding and poor blood clotting. The prefix hema- is essential in healthcare as it helps medical professionals to communicate clearly and accurately about blood-related issues, enabling effective diagnosis and treatment of patients.